In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Airbnb promo codes. Here's exactly how to apply a discount to your next stay from start to finish. First, head to Airbnb in your web browser or open the Airbnb app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account before you start searching, because promo fields usually appear only when you're signed in. Once you're in, search for the place you want to book. You can enter your destination and adjust filters like price range or amenities to narrow things down, then choose a listing that fits your plans. Next, set your trip details. Pick your check-in date, your checkout date, and the number of guests. These details matter because availability and pricing are tied to them, so double check that everything matches your schedule. When you're happy with the listing and the dates, continue by selecting Reserve or Book. This moves you to the checkout flow where you can review costs and, most importantly, apply your promo. On the payment page, look for the promo field. It might be labeled promo code, coupon code, or appear under credits and coupons. Sometimes it sits near the price breakdown or just above the payment method section, so scroll if you don't see it immediately. Enter your Airbnb promo code exactly as it appears, watch for extra spaces or typos, then click apply. If the code is valid for your trip, you'll see the discount reflected in the total right away. If nothing changes, the code may be expired, restricted to certain listings or dates, require a minimum spend, or be limited to one use per account. Try retyping it or check the terms attached to the offer. Now finish the booking, add your payment method, and take a moment to review the updated total, including taxes, service fees, and any cleaning or host fees. Make sure the discount looks correct and that your dates and guest count haven't shifted. If everything checks out, select Confirm and Pay. That's it. Your booking will process and you'll receive confirmation once it's complete. On some listings, your request may need host approval before it's finalized, but your applied discount will stay attached as long as the details don't change. Quick recap. Open Airbnb or the app, log in, find your place, choose your dates and guests, click Reserve or Book, add your promo code on the payment page and apply it. Verify the discount in the total, then complete payment. Follow these steps and you'll make the most of your Airbnb promo in just a few minutes.